Rory glory once again. Jubilation in his hometown club as his most famous member became just the fourth golfer in history to win back-to-back green jackets. Fans of all ages had gathered, hoping to see their local hero once again write his name into the history books. But he quickly found himself trailing a young American pretender called Cameron. Yesterday when we spoke, you said this wouldn't happen. You've 6 ahead and you thought, happy days?
I think we agreed on that, Vincent.
And what do you think now?
I think we're for another roller coaster.
Gasps and sighs at the fourth as he fell further behind, but the home fans kept the faith.
Not exactly going to plan, but it's early days. I think Rory just needs a bit of a spark.
A huge cheer at the 11th as he regained the lead, and again as he birdied the 12th to go 2 clear. Do you think he'll do it?
Oh yeah, totally. Totally.
As he strode to the green on the 17th, pupils from his former school got the party mood going. It was indeed in his hands, but he missed the putt that would have sent him 3 clear. Rory McIlroy is about to go to the 18th tee. He holds a 2-shot lead, while his hometown club holds his breath. Last year, the last hole led to a dramatic playoff with Justin Rose. This time, there will be no such late drama.
Oh my God, that was above and beyond.
He's done it, he's got us there. He's got his 2 green jackets, he's got his 6 majors.
Cheers! Cheers, Rory.
Oh my goodness, Vincent, I can't believe he did it again. What golf. It's just unbelievable that like this would come to Hollywood. And for the 2nd year.
The young lads from Rory's school, Sullivan, they provided just that bit of youth, a bit of energy about the place, so it was great to hear them in good fettle and good tune.
No golfer has ever won 3 back-to-back Masters titles. Holywood Golf Club is already dreaming for next year. Vincent Kearney, RT News, County Down.